Hello everyone, how are you today? My name is Siti Ilfasadana with student number 160. I have a very interesting story to share with you. The title of our story is Aladdin and Magic Lamps. It's about story a kind-hearted young man, a magic lamp, and an amazing adventure. So, let's listen to the story together. At one point, far in the Arabian desert, Princess Jasmine lived with her father, Sultan Agrabah, and her tiger, Raja. She lived in a very grand palace, and as the king told her, her life was sufficient. Sultan said Jasmine must immediately marry one prince. But Jasmine wanted to get married because of love, not just to make her father happy. Meanwhile, far from the exact palace in a village near the village, there lived a young man named Aladdin. He lives with his friend Monkey named Abu. Aladdin lives poorly, but he has big dreams. One day, he said to Abu, "We will stay in the village." In the palace, the king forced Jasmine's daughter to marry her chosen prince, but Princess Jasmine refused to marry. He immediately planned to leave the palace immediately. He immediately disguised himself as a farm and managed to leave the palace without anyone knowing. In her escape, Princess Jasmine arrived at the market that was quite crowded. Because she had not eaten all day, she deliberately stole apples. But it was known by the owner and immediately yelled at a thief. Then a cart grabbed Jasmine. But when the cart called him, Aladdin came to help him. Aladdin invites Princess Jasmine to his house. As they talk, they discover that they each dream of a life different from the one they are currently living. "I ran away and I will not return to the palace," Jasmine said. Princess Jasmine tells the truth about who she is and why she ran away from the palace. Market events make Aladdin look for royal court. Finally, his house was attacked by the royal force and Aladdin was captured. They released Aladdin. Princess Jasmine revealed her identity as the princess. He asked the Aladdin to be released. Strangely, the royal force refused. Aladdin was still taken away. The royal guard immediately brought to the palace and confronted the king. Aladdin was considered guilty. Then the king immediately ordered him to immediately throw him into the palace prison. While in the prison, Aladdin met an old man. The old man offered Aladdin to be able to escape from the jailer. Aladdin agreed. So sure enough, the old man managed to bring Aladdin out of prison without being noticed by the guard. The man carried Aladdin and Abu to the miracle cave. He wants Aladdin to take the magic lamp hidden inside. Aladdin and Abu found magic legs and carpets. But when they took the magic legs and carpet, I suddenly began to rumble and the surface of my cave turned into a hot lava. At the entrance, parents who asked Aladdin did not help them. Instead of helping him, instead asked Aladdin to throw a magic lamp out of the cave. It turned out the old man was the incarnation of Jafar, assistant Sultan. Jafar is a bad person who wants to seize the power of Sultan, the father of Princess Jasmine. In cave, Aladdin still does not want to give magic lights before he can get out of the cave. Only Jafar recites the mantra so that my mouth is closed and Aladdin and Azar buried inside. Aladdin was very afraid of the situation. Accidentally rubbing the magic legs in his arms. The miracle happened suddenly from inside the lamp, out of smoke, so thick it soared. Then over time, a large figure stood in front of Aladdin. Aladdin was scared. Who are you? A great creature, asked Aladdin. Ha 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 ha, I'm the jinn who is looking in the lamp because you have taken me out by rubbing the lamp. Then I will obey all your requests. Aladdin's first wish was to become a prince, disguised as a rich prince visiting from another kingdom. Aladdin wished to meet Jasmine's doctor once more. That night, Aladdin invited Princess Jasmine to ride the magic carpet to fly around the agrarian kingdom. It was a night they would never forget. Fly over the desert, mountains and sea, Jasmine and Aladdin discover new world. They are very happy and amazed by the beauty in the sea. Miracles and nightmares make them closer. Princess Jasmine was secretly amazed by Aladdin, man who always helped him. As well as Aladdin, he so admired Jasmine's doctor, beauty, that they both finally fell in love. Meanwhile, Jafar has an evil plan. He ordered his bodyguard to immediately arrest Aladdin. Royal troops were immediately deployed to look for Aladdin. After successfully arresting him, Jafar ordered that Aladdin be thrown out of the sea. At that critical moment, Aladdin used a second request so that Jinn would save him. But then Jafar stole his magic lamps. Aladdin managed to trick Jafar into using one of his wishes. I want to be a very powerful genie, said Jafar. Was transformed into a genie. Aladdin quickly rubbed the magic lamp, trapping Jafar inside it for eternity. The Sultan told Jasmine that she could marry whoever she wanted. Eventually, Aladdin and Princess Jasmine got married and lived happily ever after. Well, that was the story of Aladdin. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you for listening until the end. See you next time. Bye bye.